Alexia with Down to RV. I just wanted to thank you for watching our channel and bearing with us while we are a little delayed on videos. Today's adventures are us pulling the rig off and getting it some exercise, engine exercise, tire exercise, and having a little day adventure. So we hope you're going to enjoy this little journey with us as we just kind of explore the day with our RV here in the Keys. We're pulling our RV off. This is our site. Look how crazy this is. You get us here for 6 months and we're hoarders. Here we go. Let's get in. Yay!
We're going on an adventure.
We sure are.
It's so sweet.
Yep. Household shopping. So we got a full cart. Now it's time to unload! So what we do is that I come inside, Jeff throws them up the store, and I put them away. So
that we can get on down the road sometime today.
Alright, time to get to business. And now everything's put away besides all the dry stuff. And we're leaving.
Here we go.
It's in a cup right next to you, kid. Right there.
And just for the record, I did return the public shopping cart.
Yes, he did. Side of the highway. Look where we are. Woo! That's paradise, baby. Hey guys, guess where we are?
We've already said where we are. It's just now we're using another device, which is going to make an editing nightmare for me. But yeah, we're here in our little secret spot in the Keys on this beautiful, beautiful waterfront site. Once you're a local, you can find all these spots. Look in the water here. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go adventure a little bit more and see what's around. Okay, so we were in that water. It's super warm and it's full of baby jellyfish. Oh yeah, so now we're all itching. Me not so much, but the ladies are having to shower.
Hi! We're taking a quick rinse. This is so awesome.
Get those baby jellyfish off.
I know. Look at my back, guys.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh.
Yeah, those red welts come for free. Should you find a swimming spot like we did. That's okay though, we like the spot.
We're making some Peruvian ceviche. So here we have grated ginger, grated garlic, limes, salt, thinly sliced red onions, cilantro, and some snapper. We're gonna take our fish, throw it in the bowl. Oop, last piece of fish. Our cilantro. That's one of my favorite parts of it.
It is not my favorite part, but okay.
It sure isn't. So we're gonna take garlic, same thing with the ginger. Throw the onions in. And we are going to juice the limes with a spoon. Better, okay.
Keep in mind, we do actually have a juicer for citrus. She's choosing not to use it.
I broke it.
Oh, you broke it?
I broke it.
Oh.
The handle snapped on it. Yep.
Oh, then there's the
And
answer.
I think it was on limes. So I always found this to be an easier way instead of like cutting them, shoving them there, keep moving them around. So.
Yeah, and just in case you guys didn't know, that's our front yard right now. Found a nice little secret spot here in the Keys.
Now we're gonna add, do like a little pinch of salt on here. It's a pretty decent pinch. Gonna mix it around. Look at this goodness.
When are you gonna tell them about the secret ingredient?
When I put the secret ingredient in, I want to taste it all first, make sure we're good, and then add the secret ingredient. When I look, I need some more red onions, so I'm gonna chop some more red onions here. Should be filming from the other end.
I can film your other end.
Throw those in, break them apart. Okay, are you ready to test the taste and see what we need to add?
No, you're tasting it. I'm not tasting
Oh,
it.
I'm tasting it, okay.
'Cause I know it.
Like
I like it
piece.
when it marinates for a while.
Okay, we're gonna add some more garlic, more ginger, more salt for sure.
And then you need the secret ingredient.
Yes, we need the secret ingredient. I want to get sure that ginger breaks down so it's spread evenly. And when we get done with this, I'm gonna add more cilantro for myself because hubby doesn't like cilantro so much.
Blech.
Yummy.
All right, I know I'm not the only one. Who here thinks that cilantro tastes like garden weeds or soap? Leave a message in the comments below if you enjoy cilantro or if you think it's disgusting.
Bustin' or disgusting. Now the secret ingredient. Can you guess what it is? No. A little milk. We're gonna
Just a little.
just a little. Gotta get that milky color. I think we're gonna need a little more. And that should be perfect. Okay. Let it marinate for a few. And we'll catch you on the other side of eating it.
I'm excited for this ceviche. Let's see, get a nice mixture of the ingredients. Mmm. Mmm. That's real good. It's just busting, Athena. Thank you, Umberto, for your secret ceviche recipe.
We got a sheriff here. Uh-oh. Are we in trouble? I don't know. What's going on? Well, we've expired our time limit here of fun.
We have. It's time to move on to a new location. Hairstyles, if anybody needs some tips, I can give you some tips. Where's your seatbelt? Don't need a seatbelt. So glad you asked me to do this right now. And that was our opportunity to go. Now we're... Thanks.
I want to stab you.
I want to stab you, but I love you. Come on, like f***ing seriously? Yeah, you might as well just we're camping here now. There's traffic for like a 10,000 miles now. We missed the one opportunity.
Angry Muppet!
Nice!
Where did you get that treasure from?
From Ring, and Captain Hook is gonna be pissed off.
Sure is gonna be pissed off.
I'm gonna find all his treasures. Ha 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 ha!
It's really not a bad word, so.
I keep thinking about it, but it is not. Like, you can't just say piss in front of like normal people. That boat looks like it's
Why
sinking.
not?
That motor.
No, you just have like 10 men on the back of it.
All right, we're at a different spot on the overseas highway now. This is Tom's Harbor Cut. And we're cooking up some fish now. Yeah, some red snapper. I can't think of anything better than a nice chill day in the Keys. It's a little noisy right here with the honky honker guy. But look, got everything you need right here. The view, the traffic, and some fish. I like fish. Look at that view. Anyway, that's Duck Key right there. World famous Duck Key. Just in case you want to know. Tom Harbor Cut.
Sheds! And we're on our way back home. Boo!
Well, we are home. We're just going back to them sweet, sweet full hookups.
Yeah, that's true. Look at these awesome clouds. They're like Toy Story clouds. That's so fake.